Hi friends, I'm Joanna, and today we're going to dive into the world of engraving. What it is, why it's so satisfying, and how you can actually start creating pieces that last. When I first wanted to try engraving, I thought it'd be too complicated or too technical, which is not for me. But then I picked up the Respark Customizer pen, and it actually feels just like drawing. The only difference are the materials that you're using. Most people think engraving is just for jewelry stores or big occasions, but it's art you can make at home, quick, calming, and endlessly creative. There's something magical about watching your design come to life right before your eyes. And the best part, there's no pressure to be perfect. It's simply about allowing yourself to create and unwind. We love being creative, but how does engraving actually work? Engraving is when you remove a thin layer from any surface, revealing the design underneath. You can engrave names, quotes, illustrations, really anything you'd like. It's art, but it can also be extremely sentimental, especially during gift-giving season. You can create truly personal gifts, like a custom ornament that'll hang on the tree year after year, or a keepsake for a friend who lost a pet. These items are thoughtful, handmade, one of a kind, and honestly, that's what makes it meaningful, and why I love engraving so much. Engraving is creative and meditative. You get to make the kind of handmade piece that people cherish for years while you relax and zone in on your creative process. Whether it's for yourself or a friend, it's the perfect gift for anyone who wants to tap into their creativity in an easy, relaxing way. And we love that. So if you're looking for a way to unwind, make beautiful pieces, or give gifts that come straight from the heart, engraving might just be your next favorite hobby. So start small, experiment, and most of all, have fun with it. Because engraving isn't just an art, it's an experience. And with Resparked, it's never been easier to start creating. So now I want to know, what would you engrave first? Drop it in the comments below, or save this video for your next DIY day.